guys, it's Jen
And Samir.
And Landon.
and we're from the Boys and Girls Club of Phillips County.
In today's cooking batter program, we'll be making cheeseburger.
You would need ground beef, cheese, pickles, mustard, ketchup, garlic powder, black pepper, salt, cooking oil, and hamburger buns.
Next, we'll preheat our oven at 350 degrees. Now we'll grease our muffin pan. After greasing the muffin pan, we'll flatten the buns and then place them in the muffin pan. Divide the hamburger meat into the hamburger cups and then top them with cheddar cheese.
And then I will place it into the oven for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes. Let's see how they look.
Now let's top our hamburger cups.
Ryan, what would you like on yours?
Ketchup and pickles. Landon, what would you like for yours?
Just ketchup.
Bon appetit. Let's eat.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe.